What's up, guys? It's your boy A Sponge back with another video. And today I'm with my friend. Say what's up.
What's up?
Yeah, you're probably not gonna hear him in the most of the video. I'm sorry because I have my headphones plugged in. I don't want to take them out, so it's okay. I can hear him. You know. So, bro, you ready? Play some Phantom Forces?
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So, who you want to make a shout out, bro?
No.
Okay.
I know.
You know. All right. Let's get it. All right. We're about to play some Phantom Forces. Let's. I need to tell you something. I suck at Phantom Forces. You know, I hate, and I be seeing y'all hate comments, especially this one dude. He always typing in my comments, noob. I'm the noob, bro. I have 7 subscribers. This guy has 0 with no freaking videos. Alright, okay.
Hey, yeah, tell him that he's a noob.
Alright, Alright, I was tripping. Bruh, do I suck that bad, bro?
No.
Yo, he was not at 100 health. They lying for this guy.
Alright. No scope someone.
Oh, you did? My friend, he just said he no scope somebody.
Whoa.
Laser sight.
Yeah, boy.
Let me take this off. Alright, so, yeah. Let's get it. I want to show you how really sucky I am, bro.
Okay, but you know that you're in the other team, so.
Oh my god!
Like
he just got quick scope.
And you killed me. You killed me.
Oh, I killed him. I killed my friend. Oh my god! Let's go. You just got quick scope a little bit. I was like, okay.
Solo beds. I'm near you.
No.
I was near you. It was nearly at the first time.
I'm scared you might shoot me and kill me again. But I'm using a sniper. Alright, who that? Ooh, who was that? Who killed me?
That's me.
Oh, okay. Guys, he wanna have a battle now, guys. He don't know who I am. He don't. Okay. Alright, since you wanna have a battle, alright, bet, let's go. Meet me same place. I gotta rush through your teammates because they get on my nerves, bruh.
What is it, huh?
He killed me again, bruh? What the? You're a hacker, bruh. Stop hacking all the time.
I'm not a hacker. I just played like that.
He said he not a hacker. He just play like that, bruh.
Because I play like that.
We all know you hacking, bro. It's okay though. It's okay, bro.
I'm not hacking.
Like, it's okay. People mod at a certain point though.
I would hack. I could kill you from this far.
Alright.
And I killed someone from that far.
Alright, come on.
Oh, I'm on the road today.
I'm at the same place we met, boy.
Okay.
I killed you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
And I killed you.
Let's go. Okay. I take it.
Everybody in the house tonight. Yeah, victory.
No way, bro. You cheating. Guys, they got.
How did I cheat? How did I cheat?
Cause we're probably on the same team now.
What team are you?
Yeah, we're on the same team. Yep, let's get it.
Let's get a win. Okay, I'm gonna take my best shotgun that I killed you like 10 or 20 times.
Sure.
Flashlight. Okay.
Oh shoot. We playing King of the Hill. Just my game right here.
This is my best map.
Are we on the same team?
Okay. I think it's the guys who are here.
Yeah, we not on the same team, I don't think. Oh yeah, we on the same team.
Yeah.
Bro. Cross map.
Thomas the fart train. Because someone right there.
If that was a sniper, I was about to say, guys, if that was a sniper, hey, that would have been the video right there.
I don't know how this guy killed me, but he did it. Okay. Dude, are you here? Hello?
Let's go. Yeah, I'm here. What I do with the shotgun was getting on my nerves. He behind me, I think. A guy. Oh, the hill's on the ground, bro. Oh yeah, that's our hill. I knew I was dead. I knew I was dead from the start.
I have only one kill.
I only got one kill too, because these dudes camping underground. They camping, bro. Yo, can I get through the window, bro? Dang, bro. Now they got the hill. Now they got the hill. I think I made it right in the middle. I hit marker. I see you, buddy. You're not smart. You're not smart. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but we're on the same team. So
I know. So I'm gonna camp. I'm not gonna hit.
I'm better than you. I'm better than you anyways, so
No, bro. I don't care if you're better than me, bro.
don't call me stupid.
Who said I was about to call you stupid, bro? Trying to put words in my mouth now, bro.
You call me stupid, I'm not going to say whatever.
Yo, I'm most dead. He's 16 and okay.
I'm not 16. I'm 7.
You're 7 years old, bro.
I'm 7 years old. I'm 7 years old.
You're like for real. You're like for real.
Yeah.
You're 7, bro.
Not kidding.
How old are you for real?
You?
I'm over here getting sniped at and stuff. I feel violated.
At the least, I know how to speak English. That.
Hey. Y'all gonna capture the hill, bro? Cause I'm gonna camp right here.
Killed someone.
I'm camping.
Oh, me.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, he had the coat LMG. Yo. None of that hit.
8 HP.
You already know what the title this is gonna be, bro. This guy. You already know what this title finna be of this video. I'm trash at offensive forces. And I can't even say the word right, bro. That's how retarded I am. Oh my God, I can't talk. You just got
Phantom Forces.
Phantom Forces. This guy, my friend don't even speak English like that, and then this dude over here corrected me, bro. I know exactly where you is, cuz. Yep, you in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all, bruh. You gonna have to watch the video, see what happened, bruh. That's all I'm gonna say, bruh.
Okay,
You're gonna have to. It's gonna take a long time to publish though, but it's alright though. I don't edit my videos like the other YouTubers though. I don't know how. Oh yeah, I see you. Yeah, you're so sucky at the game.
Me? I'm sucky at this game.
No, I'm sucky. I just got fragged killed, bro. You're gonna have to find out in the video.
You're better than me. You're better than me on the leaderboard. No, you will not.
Yo, I'm better than you in period.
Oh, maybe you will.
Alright, bro. I'm better than you in general, bro. If I could create a private server, bro. Watch, bro. When I get some more Robux, bro, I'm creating a private server, bro, and I'm gonna give you some Robux too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you a lot.
If I hit that, bro.
Are you seriously gonna get 5 Robux for the 7-year-old? Are you serious? I hit him right in the head. And
I'm dead. I'm dead. I know it. Oh my god, guys.
0 damage to him. 0.
I'll get some candy later, bro.
Come. Okay, dobra. Okay, dobra. Kaj bom radil?
Yo, bro. Alright.
Okay, I'm back.
Let me see on the leaderboard. Okay, 11 kills, 10 deaths. I want that to be positive.
Wait, you have 11 kills? Oh, you have a lot more kills than me. I need to get some kills. Okay. 8 kills.
Somebody lit me up like a Christmas tree, man.
Hey, why? Why does humans kill me only? Y'all need them.
Yo, guys, man. I don't want to die.
Okay. Why, game? Why me? Why? Why?
Yo, this game is hectic right now.
All of them are pros.
They is not pros, bro. None of these, bro. Some of these dudes are modding, bro.
But they don't know how they can shoot through walls.
Bro, every single game, mostly every game I have played, I can shoot through walls. Mostly. It don't say no BS in the comments saying, oh, bro, so you can shoot through walls. Oh, shoot, it's a grenade. Y'all dead. I'm dead. You know, it damaged me a little bit.
That's a glitch. If they're telling you that you're a hacker, then that.
Oh, he's sniping. Okay.
What? Why?
Guys, y'all just seen how trash I am.
Why is this game giving me trash for a weapon?
Well.
If I take another weapon.
Thank you guys for watching another one of my trash videos. And remember, you gotta be trash to stay trash. Peace.